Welcome to Error Genie, where we simplify tech troubleshooting for you. If your Game Stick Lite 4K controller isn't working, don't worry. We've got 5 easy fixes to help you get back to gaming. Let's jump right in. Fix 1. Check the battery in the controller. Low or dead batteries are often the culprit behind a non-working controller. Open the battery compartment of the controller. Replace the batteries with fresh, high-quality ones, preferably alkaline. Make sure they're inserted correctly. Observe the plus and minus signs. Turn on the controller and check if it responds. Fix 2. Reconnect the controller to the game stick. If the controller has lost its connection, you'll need to repair it. Turn off the Game Stick Lite 4K and unplug it from the power source. Power on the controller if it has a power button. Plug the Game Stick Lite 4K back in and turn it on. Press and hold the pairing button on the controller until the LED indicator flashes. On the Game Stick Lite 4K home screen, follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Fix 3. Check the USB receiver or dongle. If your controller connects via a USB receiver, ensure the receiver is working properly. Remove the USB receiver from the Game Stick Lite 4K. Inspect it for any physical damage. Reinsert the USB receiver securely into the USB port of the game stick. Try connecting the controller again. If the problem persists, test the receiver on another device to check if it's functional. Fix 4. Test the controller on another device. Sometimes the issue lies with the controller itself. Test the controller on another device, such as a PC or another gaming console. If it doesn't work on other devices, the controller may be faulty, and you may need to replace it. If it works, the problem may be with the Game Stick Lite 4K hardware or settings. Fix 5. Factory reset the Game Stick Lite 4K. If none of the above solutions work, a factory reset might fix any software glitches. Navigate to the settings menu on your Game Stick Lite 4K. Select System Settings or Reset options. Choose Factory Reset and confirm your selection. After the reset, repair your controller following Fix 2. Conclusion: by following these 5 fixes, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Game Stick Lite 4K controller. If the problem persists, consider contacting Game Stick Lite 4K customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching Error Genie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips. Happy gaming!